Jill from Glimmerbug, and I wanted to share with you a little product review for these new paints that I just received from Amazon. They're the My Liang brand, and they are beautiful color case. I've got to say, it's really pretty. They are on Amazon. There's 48 colors in this case, in this palette, and I have a palette that I love to use, but I've noticed that they are no longer available on Amazon. So I need to give the students that take my art classes something to use. So I wanted to try this brand and see how it works. So this is the palette, and it comes with a little color sheet of the colors that are in here. And then it comes with a water brush, which I don't usually use these because I don't really travel that much and take my watercolors with me. So that'll just stay out. Actually, I'm going to put that over there for now. And they come wrapped in these little papers. I've actually taken the papers off because I figure, why do you need to watch me take papers and labels off? But I have this nice little supply of labels here that I can use for something else, maybe art journal or something. And it also comes with this color palette that I've actually gone through and done the colors for, but I want to share with you as I do just a page of colors how they look. I'm going to tell you right now, I love them. I think they are fabulous. The colors are fabulous. They have these shimmery kind of colors. Can you see those? They're very, they got like mica or something in them, but I don't have any paints that have this kind of thing in them that make them shimmery. So, but I figure I'll just kind of sit here and do a little quickie, just like a little colors to see how they work together and blend and that kind of thing. But I love them. I adore these colors, and for the price, they're like 20, I don't know, maybe $26 for a palette of 48, which is pretty great, especially for a beginner, because then you're not breaking the bank on, you know, Daniel Smith watercolors, which are phenomenal, but they're expensive, you know. And a lot of people don't want to spend that kind of cash on a new hobby, which I can totally relate to. So these are a great kind of a great find. And I was watching a video on, what was I watching, YouTube, while we were away, and I did not bring my colors with me, and I thought, well, these might be kind of a nice little something for my students to try out, and they're not going to break the bank. So I'm just using a couple of different colors and doing a little quickie watercolor of, we'll just do some flowers. I tend to love to do flowers. So this will give you an idea of how they mix together, and the colors, they're beautiful colors available in here. There's just so many to choose from, and these ones down here are all the, I wish I knew what they are. They're just shimmery is the best way I can describe it. They have a little sheen to them. It's like they've got mica or something in them, and they're wonderful. So I'm definitely going to recommend these to anybody who plans on taking one of my classes or is in the market for some sort of a new palette. These are great. I'm super proud of them. Super happy that I got them. I shouldn't say I'm proud of them. They're a product. Come on, Jill. They're just a good addition to my arsenal of watercolor supplies. Let's see. How about a little purple? And the colors are pretty true to form, which is nice. So you're not guessing what the color, you know, is it really going to be purple or is it going to be more blue? It's actually, they're really nicely done. I like them. Let's see, I'll just do like a couple little, nothing fancy, just kind of a quick sketchy doodly do. To give us an idea of what our colors are going to look like. Let's see, we'll bring a little green, a couple little greens. I always like to go over my watercolors with black pens, so that's why I tend to do a real kind of a sketchy look, because then I add my little details with black pen. And if you've taken any of my classes, you know that's what she does all the time. They bleed nicely too. And they work well together. Let's take some of this gold color. Got a splatter. Always got a splatter. Take a little of this greenish color. Yeah, I love them. I'm super thrilled. Look at the bright colors. They're gorgeous. I just adore them. I'm so glad that I got them. So if you want to take a look over on my website, in the About section, there are art supplies that I love, a link to all of the art supplies that I use. This one is at the very tippy top, and I'm definitely going to recommend this to my students, both online and in person, because this is a fabulous buy and something that is not going to break the bank, and you're not afraid to use them. So I will definitely be using this kit in the future, if not today, if not right now, because I really like them a lot. So thanks for tuning in. Visit me online at glimmerbug.com for online classes, and sign up for my newsletter to learn about different events, and I will hopefully see you soon. Have a great day.